Like I told you guys earlier, I will be showing you the job opportunities that you can actually maximize. And the first company here is Creator Growth Manager, Converter Kit. This company actually they're looking for a content creator and a growth manager that will help their clients when they have needs like their customer support and helping them to grow and monetize. So this first company here, they're hiring worldwide. For those of you who actually are looking for worldwide job opportunities, so to me, I think this will be a great opportunity for you to apply. And don't forget that I will be sharing the links to these jobs at the end of this video. And if you are one of our subscribers, you feel free to message me or write in the comment section or probably email me for these job links so that I can be able to send it direct to your inbox, to your email address, so you can just apply from there. That's one thing. If you are one of us or a subscriber of the channel. So this job is something that you can actually do at the comfort of your home, and it doesn't segregate in any part of the continent, in any part of the world. You can be able to do this job, and they are currently hiring. That's one good thing about it. So go ahead and apply. And as you can see, they have descriptions, the things that they need you to do. So when you read thoroughly, you will see the instructions and what is expected of you to provide them, like your role, the requirements, and everything that is needed for this position. And I think the salary is very okay. They pay in United States dollars. So if this is something that you think of, giving a try, don't forget to subscribe and let us know. This is a very great opportunity. And I know a lot of us, you have been tired of looking for a job, you're tired of, searching. The reason why I've volunteered to do this is to help people across the globe who has been finding it difficult to make a living, searching for a job. And by God's grace, you will be able to get a job. And don't forget that it's first come, first serve. That's why you need to always put your notification bell on so that every time there's a new job opportunity, you'll be first to get a notification and apply. And mind you, most of the companies, the number of their limits is a maximum of 2 weeks. So after 14 days, some of the openings will be closed. So once you get this notification, just go ahead and apply. Don't waste time. Time waits for nobody. Time waits for no one. And I remember those days I was looking for jobs and things. I had a challenge, but I took it as a duty, to make a lot of research. And that's why a lot of us, I understand that some people, they don't have what it takes. But I'm here for you. I'm here for you. And don't actually forget that you can as well, email me or send a message and give the description of the type of job you want and the location you want it, so that it can help me narrow down my research so I can be able to help my subscribers because you are more important to me. The people who actually is part of this community, they are more important. So I will be taking into consideration them first. They will be my first priority because I'm here to serve you best. I'm here to help you. And mind you, the job opportunities I'm posting right now is a worldwide opportunity that you can actually apply for in any part of the world, whether you're in America, whether you're in Africa. And I think I will be posting some jobs, current openings in Nigeria, because I was able to find out that United Nations they have an opening in Africa, in Nigeria, and there are some other companies who are actually taking people from all around Africa. So if you're Nigerian or if you're from any part of Africa and you're one of the subscribers of this channel, don't feel any kind of way to message me and tell me your area or the type of job you want. And I can help you, find those openings in your location and send it to your email address or to your DM. And I hope you can actually see the screen. So I want you to if there's anything that is confusing, you can actually pause and read these requirements for yourself. You know, take your time and read through. That's why I tell people it's not always okay to just rush into to click the links to this job site. It's good for you to be able to read for yourself and see if this is what you are going to be able to do. Yeah, Mozio is another company that is actually hiring, and the company, Mozio company, they are looking for customer support agents. People that will be taking care of their customers, people that will be part of the team, and they have a lot of benefits. So you can actually read about the Mozio vision, what actually they are looking out for, and who they actually are looking for, and your responsibilities. So whilst you're watching this video, I want you to always pause, read for yourself, and see if the requirements is what you can be able to provide or is what you can be able to do. Yeah, that's why you're supposed, or you're actually encouraged to read, listen, and take action. Don't just rush and just send the CV to job openings while you not actually take your time to see if that actually pertains to you. And this actually is a worldwide opportunity. You can actually do it from any part of the world. I think that's one good thing about Mozilla. And don't forget, I will be sharing the links to the job as well to you. I'll be sharing the links to you. Go ahead, make sure you're reading it. If there's need for you to pause and read it, pause and read through. If it's something that interests you, don't forget to apply right away. Time waits for nobody. Time waits for nobody. It's first come, first serve. First come, first serve. That is it. And I think they have good incentives as well. They have good incentives for people who, and this is a great opportunity. It's a very great opportunity for those of you who are about making money, who are about, enhancing their skills. I will recommend the company for you. And if you have any difficulty applying for these jobs, you can see, write in the comment section or let us know. If there's any way we could assist, we will. We'll assist you. It's no big deal. Made this company, they're a tech company, and they're hiring worldwide. They're looking for a business analyst. A business analyst is as well as a data analyst, but a business analyst is more in tune with profit and loss, and how they can be able to generate revenues, and you know increase the company's profit through data cleaning, storytelling with data, visual data visualization, showing trends and everything about data, you know, that can actually enhance or harness growth of the company. So if you're a data analyst or a business analyst, this job is for you, and they're hiring worldwide. They're hiring worldwide. So for those of you who actually are looking for data entry, data intents, why don't you give it a try? Who knows? Give it a try, and you might be one of the lucky individuals once you qualify. And always remember, it's first come, it's first serve. Don't waste time. And please make sure that you read through. If there's a need for you to pause the video and read to make sure you understand everything before you go ahead and apply for this job, I will advise you to do that. Pause the video, read through for yourself, and make sure you have an understanding of what their requirements says. And when you're applying for these jobs, don't forget to commit into the hands of God. Pray about it. And God's willing, you will be able, because without God, nothing works. And it's not because you know it or because you stand in a better position than the other. That's why they will consider your application. And mind you, they have over 100 people, 200 or 1,000 people applying for the job. But what makes your own CV stand out is grace. But there might be 20 people who actually can do the same thing you can do. So don't forget to involve God in everything you do whenever you're applying for some of these remote jobs. And God's grace, God's willing, you get through. You'll be selected. HRIS specialist. This is another remote opening that is actually hiring for HRs. And if you read through, uh, you will see the requirements and what is expected of you. So you'll be reporting to our HR operation managers, and you'll be in charge of the following: providing, you know, the technical support teams, data analysis, troubleshooting. So if this is what you think you can be able to do, go ahead and apply if you have the knowledge and the qualification. It's not just about the knowledge. If you have the qualification that is required of this job, go ahead and apply. Time waits for nobody. You'll be supporting the offboarding by removing access from boot and integration, closing accounts, generating, collecting equipment, and so one of the requirements says you have to be professional proficiency. You have to be fluent in English. At least 1 year experience working with HRS roles, hiring managers. Yeah. Sound knowledge of two-factor authentication tools, Google Authenticator, 1Password. These are tools that the HR benefits: competitive salary, travel allowance to visit a colleague, company retreats, work equipment, learning budgets, you know. So there are a lot of benefits if you are one of the lucky people that will be selected when you submit your CV, get through the interview. And in all, I wish you all very best. God's grace as you apply for these jobs. And I pray that you will be one of those people that will be selected.